Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to use Samsung TV remote for set-top box. Let's go. Connect your device via HDMI earc. Open Settings. All settings. General. External Device Manager. Turn on. anynet plus. Down. That's it. Now you know how to use Samsung TV remote for set-top box. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.